Do you want to live a better lifestyle? I promise that the next 2 minutes could change your life if you're willing to do 2 simple things. Listen and take action. Hi, I'm Shane, and I'm excited to show you how to start creating financial success for as little as $10 a month through a legal and revolutionary business model. It's a legitimate hybrid business model and financial engine that combines network marketing with traditional advertising. Not another one of those illegal pyramids or Ponzi schemes. It's as simple as that. So let's jump right in. Pyramid concepts are very common, more common than you may know or recognize. Anything with an organizational structure is basically a pyramid. Things like your job, the government, most businesses, and maybe even your home. Network marketing is a legitimate industry, and it is highly regulated. In fact, Bill Gates said that he would choose network marketing if he would be given another chance to start all over again. Today, I'm going to show you how to use LMG's revolutionary hybrid business model to create a referral network that can generate passive monthly income for you. And all you'll have to do is 2 very simple things. Join for as little as $10 a month and share the LMG opportunity with at least 3 friends you know who would also want to start creating financial success by utilizing a revolutionary and disruptive business model. Here's a potential income example. I call it the power of 3. Imagine if you referred 3 people and showed them how to repeat exactly what you've done. Those 3 people would also refer 3 people each, and this process can be duplicated over and over again. As duplication sets in, your potential income will reach $9,837 per month. That's over $100,000 per year. So imagine if you referred 3 people, ideally within 1 day, and everyone did the same and referred 3 people within 1 day. In 7 days, your potential income would be $9,837. That's in just 7 days. But imagine if it took you and your referral network 1 week to refer 3 people. In just 7 weeks, your potential income would reach $9,837. It is likely that most people can refer 3 people within a month. Imagine if it took you and your referral network 1 month to refer 3 people. Then in just 7 months, your potential income would reach $9,837 per month. And it doesn't have to stop there. You can refer as many people as you want, and the same limitless opportunity is available to your entire referral network through the LMG 7-level unilevel matrix. Marketing and advertising is LMG's primary product and service offering. The LMG 50 campaign system is an automated marketing and advertising solution. It will help network marketers and online entrepreneurs build their businesses. Access to the LMG 50 campaigns start for as little as $50 per month for each subscription that is purchased. A total of 50 campaign subscriptions can be purchased, giving you the flexibility to get in where you fit in and increase as you see best. The LMG referral business opportunity makes it possible for you to generate passive residual income by becoming a referral partner and referring others to purchase the LMG 50 campaigns, and also to become a referral partner in your LMG referral network. The LMG Membership Rewards Program helps referral partners to max out all of the available membership options and all of the LMG 50 campaign subscriptions. Purchasing and maintaining all membership options and all LMG campaign subscriptions will maximize your growth and overall success that can be generated through our system. When participating in the rewards program, you are rewarded automatically as the company grows. Our company-wide force spillover matrix system will empower you with membership rewards points for every paid membership within your growing force matrix. Those rewards points will accumulate inside your membership rewards wallet and will be used to automatically pay for your memberships and campaign subscriptions. Once you personally max out the 4 membership options and all 50 campaign subscriptions, then all of your additional rewards points will be used to pay it forward by helping members in your referral network grow towards accomplishing the same max out status that you've accomplished. Your potential income will increase dramatically as members in your organization begin to max out just like you have. Here's another potential income example. I call it the Power of 3 Max Out Edition. Imagine if you referred 3 people and those 3 people also referred 3 people each, and this process was duplicated completely down your LMG 7-level unilevel matrix. If all of those people in your referral network were maxed out with all 50 campaign subscriptions each, then your potential income would be $163,950 per month. But imagine if you only accomplished 50% of this example. Your potential income would be $81,975 per month. But imagine if you only accomplished 25% of this example. Your potential income would be $40,987 per month. But imagine if you only accomplished 10% of this example. Your potential income would be $16,395 per month. This hybrid business model and financial engine is a once-in-a-lifetime ground floor opportunity. Additional products and services will also be available soon, creating even more potential income for referral partners who choose to refer and sell. Good news travels fast, and great news travels even faster. The word is getting out quickly about LMG, and it's possible that before you make a second monthly payment, your membership rewards points could automatically cover the cost for your payment. Success comes from taking massive immediate action. So if you're ready to get on the fast track with LMG, just get back to the person who referred you and ask them for their referral link. Or click the button on this page to create your free account. As a free member of LMG, you will have access to our full presentation and an option to activate your referral business when you're ready. But remember, timing is everything. The sooner you activate, the better, because you will secure your position in the 3x7 company-wide force matrix system, and you can get started for as little as $10. As a referral partner, you can run and manage your referral business from anywhere in the world through your online account, including tracking your earnings, your rewards points, and your growing referral network. You can also purchase your first LMG campaign subscription for just $40, which will give you access to lead capture pages, landing pages, and traffic that will help you get leads and signups into your business. Or you can join the LMG Global Sharing Initiative and share LMG with as many people as you can, as fast as you can. And the company's growth can help you generate enough membership rewards points to pay your memberships and campaign subscriptions. That's the beauty of our hybrid business model of network marketing combined with advertising. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now it's time to get started. I look forward to seeing you inside your LMG account. Bye for now.